Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we have a mouth-watering recipe that will surely delight your taste buds. Get ready to indulge in the flavors of our delicious cheesy potato and beef bake. Let's get started. Firstly, heat up a large pan over medium heat and add a generous amount of oil. Once the pan is heated, carefully place the potato wedges into the pan. Add salt, black pepper, paprika, cumin, and thyme. Now, grab a spatula and give everything a good mix, ensuring that the potatoes are evenly coated with the aromatic spices. You'll find all the ingredients in the description box below. Cover the pan and let the potatoes cook for approximately 9 minutes, making sure to give them a stir every 3 minutes to prevent sticking or burning. Let's move on to the next step. Take a large baking pan and carefully transfer the cooked potatoes onto it, spreading them out to ensure they're nicely distributed. Now, using the same pan that we cooked the potatoes in, add some finely chopped onion. Sauté the onions until they turn translucent, releasing their sweet aroma into the air. Once the onions are translucent, it's time to add some minced garlic. Sauté the garlic for an additional 2 minutes, allowing its fragrant essence to infuse into the dish. Now, let's add the star of our dish: minced beef. Cook the beef until it's beautifully browned, ensuring that all sides are evenly cooked. As the beef sizzles, season it with salt, black pepper, and thyme to enhance its flavors. Then, add tomato paste and half a cup of water, creating a luscious, juicy sauce that will keep the beef moist and flavorful. Allow the beef mixture to simmer on medium heat for about 5 minutes, giving it a chance to meld together and intensify the flavors. With our beef cooked to perfection, it's time to assemble our bake. Pour the savory beef mixture over the bed of potatoes in the baking pan, ensuring that it's evenly distributed. And now, let's add a generous layer of grated cheddar cheese on top of the beef. The cheese will melt and create a delectable gooey topping that'll take this dish to the next level. To add a touch of freshness, sprinkle some chopped spring onions over the cheese, followed by a pinch of dried thyme for that extra burst of flavor. Now, it's time to let the oven work its magic. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and carefully place the baking pan inside. Let it bake for approximately 15 minutes, then switch the oven to the top heat setting only and let it bake for an additional 5 minutes. This will give the dish a lovely, crispy finish. So, there you have it. A tantalizing cheesy potato and beef bake that's easy to prepare and guaranteed to impress. Give it a try in your own kitchen and let us know how it turns out. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss out on our future recipes. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more delicious recipes. And always remember, good food brings good mood.